Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Vantage password. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to secure.vantagemarkets.com/login. Now, we need to access the client portal here. So if you've forgotten your password, on the right, we've got the option to where it says forgot password, so click onto that button. Now basically that's going to take you to a new page where you can enter your account's email address to reset your password. So go ahead and join in your password here, or your email, sorry. Then from here click on submit, and now that's going to send you instructions to reset your password in your email. So if I go over to my emails, here it is here. Nope, that's the wrong one. Now reset your client portal password. So it's going to say, dear your name, you have requested to reset the password for your account, yada yada. Here is your reset link, which is available for 1 hour. So it can be used only once. So they're going to give you a link here to come on over to set a new password. So go ahead and put in your new password, confirm it, click on submit, and now your password must be between 8 to 16 characters and a mix of letters A to Z, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters like this as well.